Hello my beauties and welcome back to my channel. My name's Manders. This is my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if it's your first time, welcome. So today we are doing an unboxing. This is my Tribe Beauty box. So if you haven't heard of this, this is a bi-monthly subscription. I think I pay about $30 for every 2 months, and yeah. I don't think there's really much more I need to say about the box, so I'm going to get right into it and we're going to start unboxing. So it comes in this pretty pink box. I love it. The last time I got this subscription was my first time, and I forgot to get something to cut it open with, of course. So what I was saying is the last time I got the subscription, I was so impressed. Like, there were just some really good products, and I have seen a few sneak peeks, but not all of them. Sorry, I'm just going to try and open the box. Alright, so it comes like this, and you open it up like that, and then everything is on top. So, this little card says, "Hello gorgeous, we hope you love your box. It would mean the world to us if you could help us grow our brand. So, give your bestie 10% off. So this is the code BFF10. So if you are interested in this, I will try and link it down below, but go to Tribe Beauty Box and check that out and use this coupon code if you want to get one. This will not be an affiliate link to me, this will just be a coupon for you. So it says Vanity and Glam. So these are the products. I'm going to show them to you as I pull them out, and then I'll talk about them for a little bit. So the first, this looks really nice. So this is by Dr. Botanicals. This is their Moroccan Road Superfood Facial Oil. That sounds really nice. So it comes like this. Oh, that's really pretty packaging. I don't know if you can see on the bottle. So I'm just going to put that here and we're going to open up the rest. I will tell you now, this retails for $26 US. All right. And I'm going to set that to the side. Oh, this is nice. So this is a brush set. So these are crown brushes. So this is the rose gold eye set, and these are $19.99. $19, sorry, not $19.99. So it comes with 4 brushes. I'm not going to open them up because I'm going to do a video on first impressions using all new brushes. So I'm going to put these in that pile and I'm going to hold on to them for that video. So that's awesome. I'm really excited I got these. Now, ooh, this looks pretty. So this is by Simply Angelica. This is the LA Splash Cosmetics. This is Diamond Lip Gloss. So is this in the shade Angelic? And this retails for $18. That's expensive for a lip gloss. Holy smokes. I'm really excited about the packaging already. Alright, so first thing, that's the top. It's got like a jewel. That's pretty neat. It comes with this in this really cool packaging. I really, really like that. Let's open it up. So it just looks, it has a nice flat doe foot applicator. I will definitely give this a try. I will put it into my bin for first impressions because I just love filming those. But that's that. So that's awesome. Next up, oh, I'm so excited for this. I saw this. This is the one sneak peek I did know about. This is by Wander Beauty. This is the Dive In Moisturizer Cream. So that's it right there. I'm just going to open it up. I've been waiting for this. I'm so excited. I really want to smell it. Dive into 72 hours of moisture. That's crazy. So it is sealed. And it doesn't smell at all what I was expecting. For some weird reason, I was thinking this would smell like fruity. It smells fresh. It's very nice. I am going to definitely be putting this to the test, so I will let you guys know as we go through the month whether or not I like this. This does retail for $36. So as I said before, this box only cost me around $35 Canadian, maybe a little bit more with shipping. So that's pretty darn good in my opinion. Last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette. Now, I love getting eyeshadow palettes in subscription boxes. It's my favorite thing to get because I love doing eyeshadow videos, and I find it just really gives me a good grasp on different brands. And if you get a palette, I find it's a little bit more fun. You get to do a little bit more. So this is IBI Beauty. This is City Limits. Pops out like that. It's a really nice packaging on the outside. And then we're going to pop it open. Ooh, so it has the little slip. And those are the shadows. They are so freaking pretty. So we have some shimmers, and it looks like they want to be mattes, but they have a little tiny bit of shimmer in them, so that's gonna maybe bother me. But oh, that's pigmented. I will definitely be putting this to the test. I like the packaging. I like that it comes with a full-size mirror. If you know me, you know that that is a real win for me. So that is that. This is this month's Try Beauty Box. Let me know in the comments below. Did you get this? Do you like this? Is it any good? Have you tried these products? I have an eyeshadow palette, City Limits by IBI. I have the LA Splash Cosmetics. This is their super cool lip gloss in the shade Angelic. I received my facial serum for Dr. Botanicals. This is Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. This is limited edition as well. I got a little brush set, and I got my Wander moisturizer. So I would say, all in all, this is very much worth what I paid for. I cannot wait to dive into all this stuff and see what I like and see what I don't like, so I can share it with you guys and hopefully come up with some cool eyeshadow looks with my City Limits eyeshadow palette, because as you know, we do Funky Friday Lives here every Friday morning at 7:15 Eastern Standard Time in the AM, and I'm really excited to do some new looks. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel, especially if you like this type of video, and if not, it happens. But I will see you all later. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Thank you for all of your love and support. I cannot tell you enough how much that means to me. So thank you. I will see you in the next one, guys. Mwah.